The Russian Defense Ministry has announced a drone attack on the Soltsy military base in the Novgorod region. Tupolev Tu-22M3 supersonic bombers are stationed there. The base is about 700 kilometers from the border with Ukraine. According to the Russian Defense Ministry, one aircraft was damaged in the strike. At the same time, Russian channels and Telegram write about damage to at least 2 bombers. In total, up to a dozen aircraft could have been at the base at the time of the strike. It is worth noting that the Russian Federation often uses Tu-22 bombers for missile attacks. The aircraft is a carrier of nuclear weapons, but it strikes Ukraine with supersonic Ha-22 anti-ship cruise missiles. The Tu-22M made its maiden flight in late summer 1969. The M3 version entered service nearly 15 years later. Production ended in 1993. In 22 years, Platinum 22 produced almost 500 supersonic bombers.